GATE exam, when there is question related to DFA, sometimes there are some standard problem statements. So some of them are W starts with some string, W ends with some string, and W contains some substring. So let's start with W starts with some string. So consider language L1. L1 is W such that W starts with A. Alphabet contains A and B. So this language contains all strings which start with A. So if we consider epsilon, epsilon does not start with A, it is not part of the language. If we consider simply A, this is string A, it starts with A, it is part of the language. So any string which starts with A is part of the language. Any string which does not start with A is not part of the language. So let's design the DFA. Now take initial state or start state as P. Now string must start with A. Now once we know that string is starting with A, we must accept the string. If we consider string ABA, then here string starts with A. Now whatever comes next, we should process it and accept the string. So we reach to final state Q, and whatever comes next after A, we process in the final state and accept the string. Now what if string is starting with B? So if string starts with B, we enter trap state. This is non-final state. So if consider string BBA. So once we know that string starts with B, we process remaining part in the trap state and reject the string. So this is trap state. State R is trap state. So this is the required DFA. Now let's consider W starts with AB. We use same logic. Now we use initial state P. First symbol must be A and second symbol must be B. So if string is starting with AB, we reach to final state and accept the string. Now what if first symbol in the string is B? If first symbol is B, we know that string does not start with AB, we should reject the string. So we enter trap state. So here remaining part of the string is processed and the string is rejected in the trap state. Now if second symbol is A, the string will start with AA. In that case also we must reject the string. But important point over here is we should not add second trap state. We should use the same trap state which is already added. So if second symbol is A, we enter the same trap state and reject the string. Now if let's consider L3, W starts with ABA. So consider initial state. First symbol must be A. Second symbol must be B. And third symbol must be A. So here we know that string starts with ABA. Remaining part of the string we process in the final state and accept the string. Now if string does not start with A, it starts with B, then it cannot start with ABA. So we enter trap state and reject the string. If second symbol is A, then also we enter the trap state and reject the string. Third symbol must be A, it cannot be B. We use the same trap state and reject the string. One simple point over here to note that if the condition is string must start with ABA, Then strings like A, AB, these strings also should be rejected. So here if we consider A, we enter Q. Q is a non-final state and the string is rejected. If we consider string AB, then A and B we enter R. R is a non-final state and string is rejected. So string must start with ABA. Now what about number of states in the minimal DFA? So here condition is W starts with A, length of A is 1. So if we consider n equal to 1, number of states is n plus 2. Here require 3 states, 1 plus 2, 3 states. Here condition is string must start with AB, length of AB, so here it is n equal to 2, number of states is 2 plus 2, that is 4. And here n is equal to 3, length of ABA is 3 and minimum number of states in the DFA is n plus 2. So minimum number of states when the condition is W starts with some string, then it will be n plus 2. And one important point to note is we should use only one single trap state. If it is required, use one trap state. Do not add more than one trap states.